G'day folks, if you're interested in learning BJJ from white belt all the way through to black belt, check out my website at www.bjjsyllabus.com. In there I have a whole bunch of online courses that can take you from white belt to blue belt to purple belt to brown belt to black belt and all the stripes in between. So check out the website, I'm sure there's something you'll like, www.bjjsyllabus.com for all your BJJ grading requirement needs. Check it out.
So we're going to do near arm bar from knee ride in this class, and that simply means when I have my knee on his chest and I'm in a knee ride position like this or however I might be, he puts his hand up and grabs my throat or grabs my collar. Once he does that, it's pretty much the same as doing a basic arm bar from the mount, but we're from a knee ride. So it works best if he grabs my collar and pushes me up in the air, or grabs my throat and pushes me up in the air. But all I do is put both my hands on his far shoulder, not so much on his closest or on his chest, but on his far shoulder tends to push this shoulder down and lift this one up slightly. And that's going to be better if I put my hips underneath. So I'm in knee ride, in this position, he grabs my throat and pushes me up, both hands come across, there'll be a bit of pressure on my throat, but it's no big deal because I'm only there for a second. Left foot goes over, sit down, squeeze my knees, make sure his thumbs up, I lift my hips up and pull his hand down. So we go again. So again, knee ride, he grabs my throat and pushes me right up in the air, both hands come across, I don't grab the arm, push on his chest, push on his hand with my throat, over the top, sit down, squeeze, adjust, thumb up, fingers down, lift my hips. Once more. So knee ride, got my control, he pushes me up in the air, rolls right up on his shoulder, both hands on the chest, over, down, squeeze the knees, thumb up, fingers down, lift the hips, pull his arm down, and he taps when it hurts, but there's my arm bar.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell notification, that way you'll get notified to all my new videos when I upload them, and give the video a thumbs up. See you next time.